Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, as I promised you, I would like to talk about some great websites where you can get free mockups to promote your print-on-demand designs on social media attractively and professionally. Hence, you will turn the scrolling person into a visitor to your store and a buyer of your products as well. However, before I will show you these stunning websites, you have to know what the importance of using mockups in your promotional posts on social media. Professional mockups play a key role in the emotional attachment of your customers. For example, imagine with me, if your design is about a certain occasion like Christmas, Halloween, and so on, or a certain event like graduation, birthdays, and so on, or a specific age like grandpa, like kids, adults, and so on, or a specific sport like yoga, football, softball, and so on, or specific situations like pregnancy or specific race. Here it's better for you to use a suitable mockup for this design. And here you can convey the message of your design properly to your audience and motivate them and persuade them more to visit your store and purchase your products. And here you have to know there are some types of mockups you can use in social media. And the first type is a situational mockup. Situational mockups, which means your item, your product in the actual use or the intended situation. For example, if you want to promote your book on social media, you can use situational mockups. That would be a person who is reading your book. Or if you want to promote your mug, it would be a person who is drinking from it. Or if you want to promote your application, your website, that would be a person who is browsing your application or your website. Okay, that's called situational mockup. Second type is called mockup scene. Mockup scene, and it is an image consists of two or more pieces of cloth like t-shirt, pill, sunglasses, pants, shoes, and so on. And your item and your product is one of these complementary and coordinated pieces. Okay. And the third type is a well-known form of mockups. It is a single mockup. For example, your mug is on table. It is a single mockup of your product. And now let me show you these stunning websites to get free mockups to promote your print-on-demand designs professionally and attractively. And now let's begin with this awesome website, MockupMark.com. And here you can create t-shirt and hoodie mockups with online apparel mockup generator for free and even without any sign up. So when you are on this homepage of MockupMark.com, go to this green button of get started for free, no sign up required, and click over this button. Okay. And here you will find a great collection of mockups. You can use them for free without any charge. And as you see here, these mockups are suitable for your design and enable you to promote your designs professionally and attractively on social media. Okay. Perfect. So let's try one of these great mockups like this one as an example. Upload your artwork, your transparent PNG. Okay, let's try this design of fitness niche. Awesome. Here you can adjust the design on this mockup. Okay, submit. Perfect. And here you can change the color of this t-shirt from these colors: yellow, blue, black, green, and so on. Let's try this color like this one, for example. Change color. Awesome. Mockup. Perfect. And when you are happy with this result, download high resolution. Awesome. Okay. And the second site today is Placeit.net. It is the biggest and greatest mockup generator out there for promoting your designs on social media professionally and attractively. And here on Placeit you will find thousands of mockups that are categorized by race, age, gender, occasions, events, and so on. Okay, and here you can type anything in the search bar like fitness t-shirt mockups, yoga t-shirt mockups, and so on. Okay, and to use free mockups from placeit.net, just go to this section, mockups, and here you can choose free mockups like this. Click over this. Okay, let's try one of them quickly, like this one. Okay, and here you can add your design, PNG transparent. From this, insert image, upload from your device, our design, open. Great, let's resize it. Okay, crop. Perfect. You can change shirt's color, like to this color. Awesome. Download. Okay, and click here to download. Awesome. And jumping to the third website today is called smartmockups.com. smartmockups.com. And here on smartmockups.com you will find different mockup categories. Like in home living, you will find the mockups for mugs, pillows, candles, and so on. In apparel category, you will find t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodies, and so on. Print, you will find mockups for cards, books, magazines, and so on. Okay, so let's try and we can select a t-shirt mockup from this category of apparel t-shirts. Okay, click over it, and here you will find a great collection of premium and free mockups all together. Okay, this free mockup, this free mockup, this free mockup, and this premium one that needs a bit subscription. Okay, so let's try this free mockups, beautiful mockups. Okay, so let's pick out any of these mockups, like this one as an example. Okay, and here you can upload your design from this. Upload image from your device, our design here of fitness niche. Perfect. And here we need to customize this design on this mockup from this option, and then you can adjust the design on this mockup, like size, right, left, up, down, and so on. Okay, let's make it smaller. Perfect. Awesome. In this preview. Okay, or you can change this alignment from these options, rotate this design, flip, crop, and continue. Okay, here you can change the color of your design from this, customize t-shirt color. You can choose this one. Perfect. Download for free. Okay, with medium quality. Okay, awesome. And jumping to the website number 4, Printful mockup generator. Okay, and here you can get started from this button. Click over that, and here you will find different mockup categories like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids, hats, home living, accessories, and so on. Okay, so let's select men's clothing quickly. Okay, we can try t-shirts step by step. We can select which type we want to work on, like this one, unisex, or this bestseller one, like this one. Okay, for example. Okay, and here you can upload your design from this design, choose file, super easy, upload our design, open. Okay, just select, okay, and here you can make some adjustments to this t-shirt from this product. Okay, like the color, like this one, make it yellow as you see here. Okay, perfect. Continue. And here firstly you have to sign up with Printful. Okay, so just sign up quickly. Okay, and after making a free account on printful.com, here you can select different colors of your t-shirt as you want, like black, yellow, okay, orange, white. Okay, perfect. Generate files, generate mockups of your design. Perfect. Here you'll find a great collection of mockups for your design to promote this design professionally on social media, as you see here. Perfect. And here you can select the mockups you want, like this one, this one, this one. Perfect. PNG with transparent background. This file, this mockup will be downloaded without any background, so you can insert the background you want, like colored one, like a brick wall or anything else. Okay, generate files, download files, because a zip file contains this mockup files with transparent background. Okay, as I said before. Okay, as you see here. And now let's go to the next website today, is printify.com/mockup generator. And here is the same of printful.com. It's the same steps to make professional mockups to promote your designs. Okay, to the next one today is canva.com. And here on canva.com you can create professional mockups of your designs, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, iPhone cases, and so on. Okay, so quickly as possible as I can, upload your design from here. Upload, drag and drop. Perfect. Edit image. Okay, quickly. Smart mockups, or you can find it from smart mockups from here. Okay, smart mockups. You can find any mockups you want, like hoodie, t-shirts, mugs, and so on. Okay, like t-shirt, select this category, choose any of these mockups, like this one, as you see here. So click again of this. Okay, click custom. You can adjust this design on mockup for horizontal position, vertical position, from size, like make it smaller, as you see here. Perfect. Object color, you can try it to yellow. Perfect. Apply. Awesome. And the next website today is freepik.com, and here on Freepik you will find hundreds and thousands of mockups in PSD files that you can use them in Photoshop or Photopea website. So if you are familiar with Photoshop or Photopea, it's a piece of cake to use these mockups and just deal with some layers and insert your design in this beautiful mockups as you see here. Okay, and to use free mockups, just check this one, free mockups. Okay, and the next website and the last one is called mockuptree.com. mockuptree.com, it is the same of Freepik in providing PSD files of mockups. Okay, you'll find here mockups of puddles, t-shirts, hoodies, cars, magazines, and so on. Okay, and here you reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.